Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei MatePad 10.4, and today I'll show you how you can use Google services on this device. Of course, you cannot install Play Store like it was a few months ago, because this method doesn't work anymore, but we can use the virtual machine. So what we have to do? At the first, we have to simply go for the browser. Of course, you have to be connected to your Wi-Fi network or for the mobile data. Next, you have to tap on the search pool and you have to type VMOS.com. We have to go for that website, and there is one important thing, that you have to keep your device into the horizontal mode, because when you turn it like that, those buttons will disappear and you will be not able to download this application that we need. So remember to hold it just like that and go for the download. Now you have to get the VMOS Pro download. So let's tap here. Here we got the notification and we have to click to download. Right now we have to be patient and just simply wait for the download. We can check how it goes. Okay, it goes really fast, so after a few moments we will get it. Okay, and we are almost finished. We have to click right here to check apps from external sources to detect potential risk and click allow. We have to be sure that everything is fine with this one. There's no any virus or any other malware. As you can see there, we got no risk detected, so we can simply move for the installation process. So we have to click on the install. As you can see, it's successful, so we can open it. Okay, let's put it just like that. And right now we have to swipe for the 3 times to the left, and then we have to click to enter VMOS Pro. Click to one-click authorization. Tap to set up now. Click on the switcher, then just simply go back and accept all of this stuff. Right now you have to follow the simple instruction, and there it is. Right now we have to get this ROM 7.1 64-bit. So click to add. It's almost finished. Right now just follow the same instruction like it was before. So tap on this white arena. Okay, as you can see right now it's finished. So we have to click right here and we have to go for the settings. Right now it's very important to select this switcher to get the Google services. So tap on it and click to confirm. Click to complete. Right now we have to restart our virtual machine. So just go back, click here another time, and then tap to shut down. Tap that we know it and open it another time by tapping right here. Okay, and right now let's open this menu. As you can see right now we got here the Play Store. So what we can do, simply open the Play Store and we can sing in. Tap on the switcher and input tap on the poll and input your account. Okay, sometimes that happened that this Play Store just closed. There is some kind of the bug and you have to get used to it, unfortunately. So if that happened, just open it another time and try to input your account. You can copy. If that happens another time, you will just pass it faster. Click next on the right bottom corner. As you can see, it happens again. So keep continuing and let's tap to sing in another time. Right now we can just pass it. Yeah, click next. And right now we have to input that password, so that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, and as you can see, if you input your password correctly, you have to click next in the right bottom corner. Click agree. We can back up to the Google Drive, we can accept this one. And as you can see, after a few moments, we got the Play Store, we are logging on this device. So for example, we can download YouTube. And what we can also download, maybe some other famous apps like Google Maps. There it is, or maybe also Google Chrome. And let's check if we got here the Netflix. Yeah, Netflix is also here. Or maybe not. No, there is no Netflix. And I just wonder why. Okay, never mind. We cannot find here Netflix, but we can also get it from the browser. But for example, we can get the TikTok also. And let's see if it works. So there we got our apps. At first, we can open YouTube. As you can see, YouTube is working. So be sure that you subscribe our channel. There we can play this video, for example.
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe.
Yeah, so as you can see, the YouTube is working. We can try to open Google Chrome. Let's enter for the website. And as you can see, Google Chrome is also working. So here we got articles from our website. If you have free time, you can check it, for example. And there we got also the Google Maps. Okay, maybe let's try to type Krakow and go for the search, and there it is. So as you can see, Google Maps also works here, and there we get the TikTok, so we can easily log into your account. And we have to log in with our accounts. So as you can see, that's how we can use the Play Store and the Google services on the Huawei MatePad 10.4. It's maybe not the best solution because we got here the Android 7 version, but of course there's no other methods. So you have to get used to it, unfortunately. And if you want to turn it off, you can just tap here, you can click to minimize and just go back to your tablet, just like that. And if you want to open it, just click here another time. And we are back. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.